Cool boy.
Yeah, do that shit, run ideas. What's that called? You know what? Yeah, panic don't turn over you, boy. Yeah, I know you got some panic dudes in your closet. Yeah, I know you're on the address. Yeah, boy, you little goose boy. I'ma get you sued, boy. Yeah, little goose dude, but he not actually a dude. Also, you spell do wrong, so like, yeah, you better reply to this, boy. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, I'm standing over love. I'm standing way over you. Boy, you ain't on me. Boy, you hate on me. Hate on me for no reason. Like you ain't got nothing to say. You better reply to this right now. Yeah, as soon as it come out. Yeah. Oh yeah, you probably gon' do that to me. Nah, you probably I was gonna reply, but I didn't run out of DMs. You just hate on me cause I'm a bitch, yeah. You already, I had what is it, bro, with 700 subscribers. Oh yeah, you ain't got nothing to say now. Don't be silent after this little disstrack. You ain't gon' say none of this no more. You ain't gon' say none of me no more. Little disstrack, I'm a little boy, he a little moose boy. I'ma rip out little antlers. Nah, maybe that's it for that. I don't know if I can say that. Okay, anyways, yeah. You thought I wasn't gonna say nothing like this, huh? Yeah. I know. But like, I had to say something. I didn't run out of ideas.